Your customers are searching for exactly what you offer right now, but they're finding your competitors instead. If you're tired of being the best kept secret in your town while inferior businesses steal your customers, this video is about to change everything. I'm Kay from K Marketing, and in the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you the exact local keywords that make your phone ring instead of gathering digital dust. No tech degree required, no expensive tools needed. Comment below if you've ever wondered why your phone isn't ringing despite having a great business. Here's what's happening. You're probably targeting keywords like plumbing services when your customers are actually searching "toilet won't stop running near me." Think of it like this. You wouldn't advertise food establishment when you run a pizza place, right? But that's exactly what you're doing with your online presence. Local keywords work because they catch people at the exact moment they need your help. Someone searching emergency plumber downtown Denver isn't browsing, they're buying. And here's why this matters for your business survival. Google shows local results to 46% of all searches. If you're not targeting local keywords, you're invisible to nearly half of your potential customers. Let me show you how to find keywords that actually bring customers. I'm going to search roof repair and watch what happens. See those suggestions? Those are real searches from real customers. Google isn't making these up. These are based on what people actually type. Now I'm scrolling down to this gold mine called People Also Ask. Look at these questions. Each of these questions is a keyword opportunity and a content idea. When you answer, "How much does roof repair cost in your city?" you're targeting local customers at different stages of the buying process. Here's the secret sauce. Add your city, neighborhood, or local landmarks to these phrases. Instead of roof repair, use roof repair in Riverside or roof repair near downtown park. Why does this matter? Because local searches trigger the map pack. These 3 businesses that show up at the top with reviews and phone numbers, that's prime real estate. And local keywords get you there. Okay, pause this video for 60 seconds. I want you to open up Google and type your main service plus near me. Write down every autocomplete suggestion. Go. I'll wait. You've got this. Now, let's put these keywords to work without breaking your website. First, add these local keywords to your Google business profile. In your business description, naturally include phrases like emergency plumber serving downtown Denver, instead of just plumbing services. Second, update your website pages. If you have service pages, include local variations. Instead of "we provide HVAC repair," write "we provide HVAC repair in your city and surrounding areas." Third, and this is crucial, create location-specific content. Write blog posts like 5 signs you need emergency roof repair in your city, or winter HVAC maintenance for your area homeowners. But here's what I need you to understand. Don't stuff these keywords everywhere, like some robot. Use them naturally, like you're talking to a neighbor. You've got this. Local keyword optimization isn't rocket science. It's just speaking your customer's language in your neighborhood. Now, how do you know if this is working? Track these 3 things. You don't need fancy analytics. Your phone ringing more often is the best measurement tool to have. Most of my clients see improvement with local visibility within 2 to 4 weeks. You won't suddenly rank number 1 overnight, but you'll start showing up for searches where you were invisible before. Your action plan for this week: find 5 local keyword variations using the Google method I showed you, update your Google business profile with natural local language, and start 1 piece of local specific content. If you want to dive deeper into local SEO that actually works for real businesses, I've got a complete step-by-step course linked in the description. It walks you through everything we covered today, plus advanced strategies that most experts won't share. Subscribe for weekly Google marketing tips that don't require a computer science degree, and hit the bell if you never want to miss strategies that actually work for real businesses.